Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we create viewport with some different shape and size. Let's say I want to create a viewport. See, basically we while creating viewport, if we type MV enter, so you can create viewport at rectangle shape. But if let's say if you want to create your viewport with some different shape, so how you can create those viewport? For this, what you have to do is you have to, let's say I create one circle like this, and I want to insert viewport in this. So what you have to do is you have to type MV enter, and see here you can see MView specify corner of viewport or on and off, fit shape, shade plot, lock new. So I'll type O enter off, and I'll select the object. Here you can see now my viewport is in different shape like this here. So this is the way you can create viewport in different shapes.